Hi, folks. Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with another great review. Holy crap, Master and Dynamic. And you can go to the website at masterdynamic.com. We've loved these headphones for, I think, almost going on 6 years now. We've loved this headphone makers. These, you can see our interviews with their CEO, I think, multiple times, most recently at CES 2020. We interviewed Jonathan Levine, their CEO. And I got to tell you, if Steve Jobs made headphones, he would make Master and Dynamic headphones. And I have always been in love with my MH40s. They were one of the first headphones that I got from Master Dynamic to review, I think back in 2013, 2012, somewhere in that timeline. And I've been in love with them ever since. In fact, I almost love my MH40s more than any other headphones offered by even Master and Dynamic. And they do make great products, but some of them are kind of geared differently and scaled differently in their sound. And I just have always loved my MH40s. And I got to tell you, I still have my original ones from 5 or 6 years ago, and they're still like brand new. I've had to change the earphone cups a couple times, and they make them detachable like they do on the MH40 wireless that we're going to review today. But I got to tell you, just the quality of this product is incomparable. So let's get into it. The MH40 wireless over-ear headphones. Basically what Master Dynamic did is they took their MH40 headphones that I love and I've been talking about here, and they made them wireless. Holy crap. And they've got the same design. They've got that same beautiful, rich spectrum of sound that they put into the MH40s. Only these are wireless, and they're Bluetooth 5.0, so they got the latest Bluetooth in them as well. So these are freaking awesome. Over-the-ear headphones, the product comes in 3 different colors. You've got gunmetal and gunmetal coated canvas, or you can get the beautiful color we have, the silver metal and the brown coated canvas. And then there's black on black, which is black metal and black coated canvas. So you can get it in 3 different colors. The black on black looks really awesome. I saw it at CES, and I was like, whoa, that looks cool. I love my beautiful, course, ones that I have, the silver metal with the brown coated canvas. Just looks really classic and beautiful. And it's just awesome. The sound quality is incredible. The build on it's beautiful. Like I said, I've had mine for a million years, and it just rocks. And everywhere I go, people are like, hey, what are those? You'll see a lot of these, the MH40s in you'll see them in movies, TVs, pictures of celebrities I've seen out with them. Some of the different technical specifications of these. Runs on 40 millimeter neodymium drivers. It's got an impedance of 32 ohms, weighs about 276 grams. It's incredibly light for the beautiful build that it's on there, but it definitely has a quality feel to it. When you hold it, it doesn't feel cheap like some headphones do that are cheap, of course. These are, what you're getting, what you pay for. Their materials built into this are coated canvas, anodized aluminum, and lamb skin leather. I got to tell you, I've worn the headphones for 8-12 hours a day, sometimes doing heavy gaming, reading, things like that, and sweating in them, of course, during that whole time. And it just feels like a baby's cheeks against your ears. It's so soft. It's so comfortable. And I have a larger head, and I also have larger ears. Everything on me seems to be large when it comes to my size of weight. So big feet, all that stuff. And so what's nice is this over-ear coupling that they have with Master and Dynamic fit perfectly over my ears. I don't feel my ears squished and everything. So if you've got smaller ears, you're going to be fine with these. If you've got bigger ears, you're going to be fine with these and everything else. The headphone connection on this is Bluetooth 5.0. It supports aptX and SBC. What's really cool too, all the latest technology, it's got cables that are USB-C to 3.5 millimeter and USB-C to USB-C-A for charging, USB-C to USB-A for charging. So it's got all the latest plugs and connections and stuff. I hate some of the new products that are coming out in market, and they're still using the old USB connections. You're like, USB-C is now the thing. So Master Dynamic has this on these headphones. It's got beam forming noise reduction mic array built into it so that you can use this for calls or talking to your friends, whatever you want to take and do. It's got ear coupling of over the ear. It's got an internal antenna built inside of it, which is pretty freaking awesome. The ear pads are replaceable replaceable. Like I mentioned before with the MH40s, they're magnetically attached on, and you can pull them off. And what's really cool about Master Dynamic is you can actually order additional different colored ear pads if you want, and you can interchange them. So you can kind of customize it the way you want just by ordering them from Master Dynamic. But after time, if it gets worn down, or you're wearing them out from wearing them and whatever, or maybe you just want a different color, you can take and replace those, change them out, and away you go. So that's really nice. If you've ever had headphones where you can't change the ear pads, eventually you just have to throw away the headphones, which is pretty sad if you have a nice set. The charging is pretty awesome as well. Holy crap. It'll charge to 100% in 80 minutes, 50% in 30 minutes. So if you're out of your charge, you need a quick charge so you can just hit the road and go with your thing. You can easily do that. Because of the beautiful canvas carrying pouch that I always use with a separate zipper area for your cables so you don't scratch up your headphones. I love that. When I travel with the pouch. I got to tell you, I take these everywhere I go. I do honestly, I have to tell you that when I do travel and I'm going to be on airplanes, I take the MW65, which is their active noise canceling wireless headphones. So if I'm traveling on planes, I take those so I don't go mad with all the babies crying. But like recently when I drove down to CES, of course I didn't use headphones in the car, but I took my MH40 wirelesses with me, and it just made it really nice. I got to tell you, all the products you can find on masterdynamic.com are going to just do a great job for you, and I love the crap out of them, and I think they just make wonderful, excellent products. Be sure to watch for our true wireless earphone reviews we'll be doing of the latest earphones that they have over there at Master Dynamic as well. Highly recommend this product. It's going to cost you, I think, about $300 right now, $299. But I got to tell you, I'm still using my same set from 6 years ago. The quality, the price value relationship you're going to have is going to be incredible, and the quality of sound is just going to stand up. I mean, seriously, have you ever kept a set of earphones for 6 years? They're awesome. Check them out. Anyway, guys, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.